Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add the World Clock widget to home screen on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is tap and hold to any blank space on your home screen, and once this pops up, so once the widgets and apps wiggles like that, you can now add a widget. So at the top left corner right here there's a plus sign, and just go to the clock option right here. Here you will see all the options. You could either add a digital clock, so these different kinds of clock, and just find the world clock right here. So here you will see the world clock. So just add that widget on the very bottom. There's an option to add. Just tap on it and it will be automatically added right there. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.